fighter Ted looked everywhere, but he couldn't find one. And searched. Mom was the same.
Since
Since Ted couldn't find a fighter, he became a fighter. But every fighter needs a fire truck.
up here.
Fighter Ted found a fire truck. That was the same.
Lucky.
That was Lucky. He was the same.
Thought.
I need a fire extinguisher to Fighter Ted looked everywhere. Except, what's the same?
Else.
Searched.
Since
He couldn't find a fire extinguisher, he made one. That's how he made one. He filled first he got his whipped cream, then got a straw, then filled it up in the fish tank, then he put it on, and it became a fire extinguisher. Now, where is that fire? Thought Fighter Ted. I'm like a first grader, huh?
yeah.